Hey guys, some of you know my town car's gone. That was the other ball joint video, but bought something new and this is what I've been up to. Here it is. It's a 1993 Volvo 940 station wagon, and it is turbo. There it is. Paid $1,000 for it and drove it home. Looks really nice. There it is. Let's show you guys the interior. Here we are. Damn autofocus going crazy. Alright. 171,000. Seems fine in here. Back seats. Carpet was redone by the previous owner. Did this too. It's automatic. And it's got the IPD overdrive lockout switch delete, which apparently those things go bad. There it is. Back seats still look nice. Fronts have covers. Let's just start it up for you guys. That's it. My gas gauge is broken. It's always on full. So, I think my exhaust has a hole or two, so it's a little loud. Let's check under the hood. Have it. There's a little baby turbo. I had to change out the fan. So when I bought it, the fan was seized. That's that. Here's the back. So, it's nice back here. I have new headliner material down there. Just gotta put it up. Might clean this one and leave it for a while. Don't know yet. But this is my nice new daily driver. There you can see maybe you can't, but the top half of the muffler's like missing, so it's rattling a little bit, but it sounds good, runs. Just finished fixing my AC, which I'll show it to you guys. Made a little quick video on it. This is what we got for now. I got a boost controller, but I don't plan on doing anything crazy yet. So, I do want to get some tint for Miami Heat. Not the not the basketball team, but for the sun, which you can see is clearly out. But that's about it for now. Check back later.